Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher. I'm Pawan. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install this Elixir custom ROM which comes with Android 14 OS on your Xiaomi Note 9 Pro device. Here you can see I have successfully installed this custom ROM on my Android device. You also will be able to install it on your device from following this tutorial. So let's continue our video and see how we can install and run this custom ROM on your device. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join. Okay guys, firstly you need to unlock your bootloader before continuing to the installation process. Then you need to install a custom recovery also. After that only you can install this custom ROM on your Xiaomi Note 9 Pro device. If you don't know the process of unlocking bootloader or installation of a custom recovery on your Xiaomi Note 9 Pro device, you can refer to the videos that I have included in the description of this video to unlock your bootloader and install a new custom recovery. So after completing that process, you need to take a full backup of your internal storage, and also you need to take a full backup of the applications that necessary for you. Otherwise you won't be able to recover them back after completely installation of this custom ROM on your device, because in the process of installation of this custom ROM or any other custom ROM, you need to format your internal storage. So then you need to download the custom ROM file also from the given link in the description of this video, and then you need to put that custom ROM into your external storage, which means your SD card like this. Here you can see my SD card, and I have pasted my custom ROM into this folder. So guys, let's turn off our device and boot into custom recovery to install this custom ROM on Xiaomi Note 9 Pro device. Okay friends, now you need to click on your power button and volume up key together till your device got into the recovery mode. Okay friends, when it comes to here, you need to click on this bin icon and you need to select these partitions: Dalvik, cache, metadata and data partitions. Now you need to wipe all these partitions. Then click on back button and go to your external storage like this, and select your favorite custom ROM file to install. In here I am going to install Project Elixir custom ROM on my device. Now click on Save to Install option and wait till completing of the installation process of this custom ROM. Don't click on this reboot option. Click on back button and you need to click on this bin icon once again. Here you need to go to this format data option. Now type yes and click on this right icon. This process will permanently format your internal storage, but without doing this you won't be able to log into your device with this custom ROM. Now you need to click on reboot and wait till complete the booting process of this custom ROM. Okay friends, now we have successfully installed this custom ROM on my device. You also will be able to install it on your device in this tutorial. So thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.